Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card you're making today. Isn't it cute? Really simple to make, so let me show you how I did it. So we're going to start off with some stamping. Sorry about the glare. And I've got everything set up on my Stamparatus here, and the stamps that we're going to use is this one called Happiest of Birthdays, and we're going to use this one called Happy a little bit late birthday. And this is a great birthday stamp set. I love these big bold images, they're really on me. So I'm going to be stamping here in Granny Apple Green because that's the colour in the designer series paper. So let's ink up our stamps and stamp. And I've got, as I said, in the Stamparatus, because I'm stamping on quite a small piece of Whisper White, and in case I made a mistake, it was easier this way. It also means I could get the stamp centered much more easily in the Stamparatus. Now I'm going to give it a little clean, my stamp, with my simple chamois so that I don't get ink everywhere. So there we go, and this is just, I store it in a simple stamp case. So let's take that out of there and close that up, put it aside. Okay, and bring everything back in. So I have here a card base, and this card base is Night of Navy. So this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here, the Artistry Blooms designer series paper, and you could use either side. They're absolutely gorgeous. And this measures 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. That's my standard matte sizes. We're just going to plonk one on top of the other. There we go. And then we stamped this on Whisper White, and this piece of Whisper White measured 8.5 by 6. And then I'm just going to mat it on a piece of Night of Navy. That's 0.5 centimeter bigger either way. So that makes that 9 by 6.5. Okay, and let me see. Now we're going to do some dimensioning. And let me bring back my dimensionals that are all stuck to each other. So I've got here some of my, so I'm going to put these in the centre. And I've got these edges, which are marvellous. If you know me, you know I love the edges of my dimensionals because it means I'm going to have to take off less backings, and you know how I hate to take backings off my dimensionals. So this way you use everything, you waste nothing. So one sheet of dimensionals finished. So I'll just get another one out. Hope I've got one here. I'm sure I do. Let me have a look at my dimensionals. These are baby ones, baby ones. Ah, here we go. I have, not just here, but this is just my filming desk where I film, but in my normal crafting area, I have a whole stack of dimensionals. You know, I have packets of them and packets of them. It's like a dimensional shop. I don't want to run out of these because I absolutely love them. Even though I hate taking the backings off, they are the best. I used to get cheap ones, and it was a false economy because I would try and take the backings off and everything would stick to me. The dimensionals would stick to me, and then they wouldn't stick to the card, and as I was trying to get one off the other, they would rip in half, and whenever I used them I'd always end up with dimensional sticky all over myself. It was just a non-starter. So then I went over to using Stampin' Up ones, and I have not looked back. Okay, so let's plonk this on top here. Got a little bit of dimensional sticking out there, just tucking back in again. Plonk that down like that, and then I'm going to use some of these for my finishing touches, and these are, I brought up the back, the Artistry Blooms adhesive backed sequins. And I'll show you them if I can get them out. Got to find a better way to store them, because now I've opened the package, they're going everywhere. But you have them in all these different colours. So you've got the blue, you can see here the different colours that they come in, and I've used these, and I just used one big one, or a few big ones actually. So let's see, I used 1, 2, 3, I used 5. So let's see where we're going to put our 3 big ones. I think one there, and then a few small ones just to, I don't like that, it's too close. like that. Got a little bit of adhesive here from a snail or something. Get rid of that. And then, where shall we put this last one? Okay, we'll put it up there. There we go. So I really like these. You get a good variety of colour, don't you think? So there's our card. So that's the one we just made. That's the one we made earlier. Short and sweet and simple, but quite pretty, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please subscribe to future videos. If you want information about this card, i.e. sizes, dimensions, I've already said that, the product list, links to my online shop, all of that good stuff, it's in the description box below. It'll be on my website, and down there as well you'll find all the links to my social media links, including my new Facebook group and all that stuff. So thank you once again, and I'll leave you in peace, and until next time, bye!